Hi, I'm Paul with rackattack.com, and this is the Yakima Baseline JetStream roof rack system for the 2017 through 2021 Honda Civic 4-door hatchback Type R. This system comprises three components, starting with the baseline towers set of 4 and the JetStream load bars set of 2, available in silver or black, and 2 sets of 2 of the baseline pad and clip sets. And I'll go over all these components in detail, starting with the JetStream load bar. This one we've cut down so that you can see the extruded aluminum box beam construction. The overall shape is designed to minimize wind noise and wind drag. There's a track that runs along the top of the bar to accommodate certain accessories and carriers for a very clean, integrated method of attachment. On the underside of the bar is another track, and that is where the tower attaches. There are measurements along the side of that track, and those measurements are referenced in the instruction sheet included with the clip sets, and that will guide you in the correct placement of the tower on the bar. Now, the tower itself has multiple adjustments to give you a very custom fit to the vehicle, and those adjustments are accessed underneath this outer cover. To access those, we'll just squeeze in on the 3 dots on both sides of the upper portion of this cover and pull downward, and then that gives us access to the inside of the tower. First, we'll look at the attachment of the tower to the bar. To access that, we have to pull open this other panel, which allows us to see the fastener here. And that fastener not only holds the tower to the bar, but also offers an adjustment of pitch, which is the angle of the bar in relationship to the roof line of the tower. So that helps to compensate for curved roof lines on the vehicle. Now, when I close this hatch, you'll notice how it prevents access to that fastener for security. Now below here, we have another fastener, and that one, I'll go ahead and demonstrate the tool that's included with the baseline towers. So first we'll loosen this fastener up, and this is a toe adjustment for the pad and clip assembly. And again, that gives you a custom fit to the door frame and roof line. Once you have that adjusted according to the instructions, you would tighten that, and now this tool will click, and that indicates that you've reached the correct tightness. And this tool is used for all the fasteners on the tower. Now on the inside, we have this fastener, and when you tighten that one, that'll pull the clip assembly against the door frame. And underneath this hatch, there's this final fastener, and that will draw the clip up against the door frame. Now the clip itself is strong steel with a black powder coat finish and a rubber pad where there's contact against the door frame and the finish of the vehicle, so that provides grip and protection. Here you have a pivoting base pad assembly, so the assembly pivots to match the shape of the door of the roof line, and also comes in a variety of shapes of rubber to best match the roof line where the tower rests. So let's go ahead and put the cover back into place. To do so, it hooks at the bottom and snaps at the top. You'll notice here we have a plastic plug, and that plug can be replaced with Yakima SKS lock cores. These are sold separately in matched sets so that you can have all of your towers all key matched, as well as other accessories and carriers you may have purchased that are part of the Yakima SKS or same key system, and that'll allow for convenience of one key security for all those items. Okay, so those are all the main features of the Yakima Baseline JetStream roof rack system. This product and the full line of Yakima products are available at rackattack.com. Please see the link in the video description for all your buying options. If you have any questions or comments about this particular system, feel free to leave those in the comments section below. And consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. We have over 2,000 rack-related videos, and we upload new videos weekly. That's all for this one, and thanks for watching.